let's talk about responsibilities.
My responsibility at home is to make sure my room is clean and my stuffies are all in a neat pile. When I do that, I'm like, ugh, no, not again, because I don't really like doing that. I think it's important because my parents won't trip over it when they're getting to my closet.
Walking to school, that's one that I enjoy because I get peace from my little brother.
If you're responsible, like take the trash out, walk the dog, feed the fish, your parent gonna trust you with more responsibilities, like having your own set of keys, because if you do that, you can't lose them.
Responsibilities are things you are trusted to take care of, like homework, chores, or helping others. Each time you follow through, you build confidence and show others they can depend on you.